Figured I would just pop in and show you all what we are up to tonight. Huckleberry and his mother are wrestling over there. Tamale is enjoying being outside and running around with me. JB is watching Tamale. He's like her protector. We are watering the chickens and the goats, admiring this apple tree that is crazy full this year. It is so crazy. Last year the apples had a hard freeze late into the spring and they didn't make it. So this year is exciting to have so many apples. And the girls are over in the pasture. There's Pippi. And then if we go left to right, we have Lila, Maggie, Gwen, Ducky, Delilah, Iris, and then Eleanor right there between Ducky and Iris. And they are just out there grazing, enjoying. I'm thinking Pippi is maybe not feeling super hot this afternoon, but still good enough that she's over here with the girls. So not too concerned yet. That is what we are up to tonight. We just got done watering the tomato plants. I'll show you guys those. And I have to lock the chickens up and go collect eggs. So I'll bring you guys along to do that as well. Looks like we still got a minute to go on there. Tamale! Tamale! Come on, let's go! Come on, Tamales! Good girl! Ugh. Okay. Now we're just gonna go get eggs and I'll show you the tomatoes. Come on, JB. Come here, Tamales. Come on, Tamales. She always gets scared over here, so she'll probably run to the top and wait for us. Oh, look it, she's still there. Getting more brave. Good girl, Tamale. Good girl. Good girl, Tamale. Good girl, Cookie. Hi, good girl. Wanna come with me? Ugh. Okay. Okay, come on. Good girl, Tamale. She's been really fun to hang around the last few days. She gets picked up on Monday. We have a bunch of broody hens that are just trying to make my life difficult. They've been broody for weeks. I've done all the stuff and things to try and stop it, and now I'm just over it. So, you know. That is all. Looks like they ate one today. That's lovely. We love when they do that. How can I tell? Because this one is covered in egg gunk. Little naughties. All right. Good girl, Tamale. Here, Tamales, ready? You ready? Oh, turn around. Good girl. Okay. I gotta lock the chickens up. Go to bed. Come on, ladies. Go. Come on. Check our water. It is almost full. Turn that off on our way up. Okay, let's go, Smalls. Good girl. Got a pocket full of eggs. Let's go. JB's always like, is she okay? Is she coming? She's coming. She's just not as fast. Come on, Smalls, let's go. Come on, Smalls. Let's go turn off the water. Wanna come with me?